Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce. This vehicle comes in a short wheelbase format and as a fully electrical vehicle features a 77 kilowatt-hour battery producing 204 PS. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, this ID Buzz comes finished in the metallic paint colour mono silver. Across the front of the vehicle we'll also find some IQ LED matrix headlights, and the vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 18-inch black steel wheels that come with a full wheel trim cover set. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, and the vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, there is a large amount of storage space and load lashing rings line the load area floor. Access into the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. Moving up into the cab we'll find a singular seat for the driver along with a twin-seater passenger bench. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This comes with inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.